garden's doing pretty well. I don't even think I showed you guys the video of this whole process. Yeah, I did take a little bit of video of this planting thing, and I don't know what I've done with it. So if I can find that, I'll show it to you. But look, my honeysuckle's going crazy. Got some tomato plants. Put the hammock up. It's just kind of a peaceful place out here. Oh, it smells so good with the honeysuckle. Amazing. And this is my morning spot generally. I like to sit right there in the morning. So let me show you our little planting the garden situation. I got Gracie and Claire and Callan to come with me to the garden center. We put on our masks and we just headed out and tried to stay 6 feet away. I knew I needed to get my things planted as soon as possible. Just to make it work. And I know Claire wanted to pick up some pumpkins and things that she's planted in her condo area. So she has a small area that she's working on being able to plant those things. So she needed to get some stuff for that. I really miss having the pumpkins here. I do, but it does take over the entire patio, yard, steps, everything. And so I'm just going to kind of leave that up to her for now. And maybe she'll give me a pumpkin if she gets any or enough that she could share one with me. But in the meantime, I decided to just do 3 tomato plants and 2 green bean plants. That's all I could find for the green beans. And herbs. I've got cilantro, rosemary, and basil over there in pots. So I've got that going on. And then around the front areas, I put flowers. Anyway, I enjoy my garden so much, and love to be able to take care of stuff out there and fiddle around. So this is garden planting day. Got those. It's supposed to storm in about an hour and a half. So I'm trying to place what I want. And I think what I'm doing is 3 tomato plants that I will work real hard at pruning better this year. 2 green beans. So that's just my entire vegetable section. That's all I'm doing for veg. Then I have a big flower, and then I'm going to do a whole flower section right there. I got to figure out what I'm putting where. Anyway, I have I think I have a recipe or 2 of things that I've made. Oh, the other day I made, what was it? It was a 1-pot meal. I love those 1-pot pasta meals. It was so good. It was like mushrooms and linguine, and oh my gosh, very good. So I will definitely show you that. So let's just jump to that right now. Okay, for this mushroom 1-pot pasta, it's super simple. We need 3/4 of a cup of heavy cream. We need 32 ounces of a chicken broth or stock, 12 ounces of linguine, some Parmesan shredded or shaved, about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 3 garlic cloves, some salt and ground pepper, and 12 ounces of any kind of mushroom you have. This is what I happen to have. It's usually kind of a little bit better and more flavorful though if you have like cremini or portobello or something like that, shiitake. I just happen to have the white button, but it's still really good. And it's all done in 1 pot, and it's super simple, and this is what we're gonna do. So let's chop up the mushrooms. Hi, baby.